In today's video I will show you how to unlink your Roblox account from your Xbox. This is helpful if you want to switch accounts, fix login issues or connect a different Roblox account to your Xbox. So let's get started. First, open up a browser on your phone or computer and go to roblox.com. Once you are there, sign in to the same Roblox account that's connected linked to your Xbox. To logging in, the crypto settings, dark icon and from the manual, select Settings. On the left-hand side, click on Security. Now scroll down the page until you see the Xbox section. Here it will show that Roblox account is connected to an Xbox account. Now click on Disconnect. If your Roblox account has a PIN enabled, you will be asked to enter it here. After entering the PIN, click Unlock to confirm. Once this is done, the Xbox connection will disappear, meaning your Roblox account is now fully unlinked. Now go back to your Xbox console. If Roblox is already open, make sure to close the game completely, then launch it again. When Roblox start up, you will be prompted to sign in or sign up with a Roblox account. And that's it, you have successfully unlinked your Roblox account from Xbox. I hope you liked the video. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.